Sony just announced the biggest reason not to buy its new Xperia XZ2 smartphones. Sony fans who have recently signed up for a 2-year contract to get their hands on the flagship Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact last month will be disappointed to learn that their new phone is about to be outdated. Sony unveiled its flagship Xperia XZ2 and XZ2 Compact handsets during the Mobile World Congress, MWC, technology trade show, which was held in late February. The next-generation Xperia smartphones sported an all-new design, 18:9 display with almost no bezels on the side, support for wireless charging, and 4K HDR video recording, a first for a smartphone. Aside from one teeth-grindingly annoying design decision, the Xperia XZ2 and Xperia XZ2 Compact are solid flagship smartphones that keep up with the competition in a number of key aspects. Sony Xperia XZ2 went on sale in the UK on April 6, 2018 for £699. However, those who signed up to a 24-month mobile contract to get their hands on the new hardware will be disappointed to learn that Sony has teased the launch of an all-new Xperia XZ handset. In fact, in a few months' time, the Japanese technology company will launch a new flagship phone that makes the Sony Xperia XZ2 look dreadfully outdated. Branded Xperia XZ2 Premium, the new device keeps the same overall design as the XZ2, but upgrades the display, rear camera, battery, and a handful of other key specs. Sony dubs its new Xperia XZ2 Ultimate Creation Machine, thanks to its new camera technology. Unlike the £699 Xperia XZ2, the XZ2 Premium has a dual camera setup on the back of the phone, a first for Sony. Sony has not adopted the same approach as Apple, Samsung, and OnePlus by adding a secondary telephoto lens. Instead, the Japanese firm has split image capture between one 19-megapixel color sensor and a 12-megapixel monochrome. Android manufacturer Huawei uses a similar approach with its secondary Leica-branded lens. Sony XZ2 Premium can reach a maximum ISO of 51,200 when shooting still photographs. Videos hit highs of 12,800 ISO. According to Sony, these impressive figures purportedly enable the XZ2 Premium to capture ultra-low light capture previously only seen in interchangeable lens cameras. Elsewhere, the dual camera can also capture portrait mode, which Sony brands bokeh mode. It will also allow users to shoot using only the monochrome sensor for a smooth gradation between black and white in your images. Other improvements over the Xperia XZ2 launched last month in the UK include a bump up to 6 GB of RAM, and a greater battery capacity, 3,540 mAh compared to 3,180 mAh. Sony has also fitted the Xperia XZ2 Premium with a better front-facing camera, 13MP on the Premium, compared to 5MP on the XZ2. The Premium model also has a 5.8-inch 4K HDR screen, while the regular XZ2 only boasts 5.7-inch Full HD and HDR panel. Both smartphones ship with Android 8.0 Aria out of the box, and have the latest Qualcomm silicon, the Snapdragon 845 inside. Sony has yet to reveal the final price for the XZ2 Premium, but expect it to be more than the XZ2. The new Xperia XZ2 Premium will be available beginning this summer, Sony says.